Hey guys, so we are back and today we're going to be unboxing and giving you an initial review of this mini massager. Okay, let's go ahead and see what it looks like, and then I'm going to go tell you guys if this is something worth the price that is listed right now. Okay, open. Come on, go. There we go. I like the color and how they prep this box. Okay, so these comes with these. And then a small Rosy Finch. Okay, so pretty easy to understand as you guys can see. So this Rosy Finch mini massager is retailing $55.99 in Amazon right now. It is heavy duty. Okay, there is the power button. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 setting. Okay, looks like, is there any other way? Okay, this is where we charging point. Yay, it looks like it's a USB-C. So that's a good thing. I'm not sure if I am a fan of the material though, because this seems like a silicone. It kind of gets dirty, and this seems to be like not the best kind of metal use. Seems to get dirty and scratch easy. I'm not sure. $55.99, are you worth it? Okay, we're gonna find out the quality afterwards. This doesn't come with a bag or a hard case, I guess because of affordability. Again, this runs $55.99. Got a smaller head compared to my previous massager. And the fork is also smaller. Okay, I'm not sure if that is a good thing. Oh man, this is really small compared to my other flat ones. Okay, it's kind of like a quarter, a little bit bigger than a quarter. And then this is the needle kind. I guess if you're looking for portable massager and this is good, powerful, then I think it can justify the price, especially if it's easy to bring with you if you are going on a trip or something. Okay, now let's go see how easy it is. Okay, pretty easy, and it's tight, and so that's a good thing. Now let's go and press it. Do you have battery? There we go. Okay, it changes on its own. It becomes number 4. I press 1. Loudness, I guess this is your typical number 4. So now, what is happening? It changes. It is now number 2. You guys see that? I'm not pressing any button. It's just changing. And now it's number 3. What's going on? Okay, is it number 4 now? What is it? Am I supposed to? Okay, maybe. Okay, 1. Now let's go. So number 1, this is number 1. Okay, so maybe the initial when I press it, if you press longer, then it's automatically like switch modes on you. So this is number 1. Do I like how it feels? I'm not sure. It targets one specific area. So if you are into that kind of massaging, you're gonna like this, but I think for me it's too small. Okay, now let's go number 2. Okay, I appreciate the way it's kind of like an oblong in here and not round. Makes it easy to hold. It's pretty powerful. So loudness wise, that's what it sounds like. Not so bad for number 2. Okay, number 3. Okay, now you can really hear the motor. It's pretty powerful for being number 3. And I can really feel it now. Ooh, that goes deep, especially if you are in a sore part of your body. Okay, number 4. Okay, that's number 4. Okay, that is that. Okay, so quietness is about the same as the others that I have tested, ranging from 89 all the way to this one. This is the cheapest of them all so far, which is $55.99. Do I think it's worth that price? I think I would rather pay extra $5 to go get the one that I have previous. If you guys wanted to know which one is that, it's called Tonpei. You can see it in my previous videos. Okay, so that is that. There is no power indicator, so you don't know how much battery is left. I guess to mini massagers that's common, unlike those more big kind of expensive massager. Okay, is it worth $55? For the power, I think it is. For the quality, I think it is. But like I said, I would rather pay extra $5 to go get the kind that I wanted because the design is just okay. And also, I don't like how small each pieces are. They're like for babies. Anyway, that is the video of the day. Again, this is for Rosy Finch, retailing at $55.99. What is my rating? I think I'm giving this a 4 stars for now, and I'll update it when I do my video about this product. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.